Good morning, you guys. I am tripping balls. Check it out. It's already summer. It's raining in Cali. Amazing. So anyways, right now I'm gonna go pick up Stephanie. I'm gonna go take her to her job. Yes, she drives, but I like taking her because it's fun. And yeah, so. Hey, look, it's Stephanie wearing pink. Thinking she's all cute because she has a hoodie on. Oh wait, she is cute.
Oh look, I see a cat.
No, you don't.
I do.
You don't see a cat, you see a... Look at the loser that has to work today.
You too.
No, you don't. Prove it. Why? Anyways, right now I'm gonna go get some gas. And some gas for my Accord. I try to move it today and take it to a mechanic. See if I can get the water pump fixed. Yeah. Oopsie. I made a messy. Oh, I don't care. No, I'm just gonna head on home. And try to see if I can move my Accord. Yes, yes. So this is a lot of crap. I took my Accord to the shop to get it fixed for the water pump, right? $205 for labor and the pump. And then he's gonna check all the timing belts and stuff. I'm pretty sure one of them is messed up. He said he'd call me if it really needed change. Yeah, this is oh well, I had no choice. So supposedly Stephanie's off at 1:30. It is 1:17. That means I'm running a little bit late because it takes me about exactly 15 minutes to get there. But I really don't care because since it's 1:30, 100%. I'm almost 100% sure that she's gonna be off like at 1:45. Remember the words that I just told you. Because I don't know, I've had this experience before. She says that she's off at 1:30. Whenever it's a 30-ish number, she ends up getting like 5 or 10 minutes later. So I saw no point in going early. Oh, right now I have no clue what we're gonna do. Probably just go to her house. That's probably all we're gonna do. Yeah. Anyway, so what did I say earlier? I got here right on time. 1:30. I'm gonna know now she's not gonna come out. I just know it. Oh. I told you guys. She's barely coming.
Hi.
So what are we doing?
I don't know. Why does it smell like soap? It smells very soapy, like laundry soap.
My deodorant.
I guess. Yeah. It smells like the soap that comes in a bag.
Okay, so what are we doing?
I don't know. I really don't know.
You?
No.
Would you guys wear a shirt that says I love my boyfriend / girlfriend? Would you? Hey, what the hell's wrong with your hair?
I don't know.
There's like a bunch of basura on your hair. That's disgusting. Anyways. I wouldn't mind if it was Stephanie that got it for me, but would you guys get me a shirt? Like, I don't think a friend would get a shirt. Puppies!
Hello.
Look who came right next to me, look. Oh, he started crying. I love you too.
Someone biting me.
Hi, Chili Bean. Yes?
Ow! Ow! You're so fat, Mr. Puppy.
What the fuck do you want?
Mr. Puppy. You're so
Stop
fat,
it.
Mr. Puppy.
Stop.
It's so funny how he wakes people up. Like when he leaves my bed in the mornings, he leaves like around 6:30, almost 7. He goes to my mom's room. He stands on his back feet and he starts going.
You're the weirdest cat ever.
I shut up.
I love you too. Poor thing, she just woke up. What are you biting? What are you biting? Okay, hurry up. Hey, how cute, they're all after me today. Oh, bye. God, it's hot. Yeah, right now I'm just leaving Stephanie's house because I have to go to work. And this is the end, my friends. This is the end. Anyway, so yeah, bye.